motorcycle. I can take my phone back now. What is up, guys? We are on our way to Vikas's place right now because I'm going to be riding the new 250 Adventure from KTM. Yeah! Anyway, it's a quick ride that we're doing today because we have a lot of work going on, lots of edits going on. तो थोड़ा time निकाल के हम लोग इसको जाके चलाने वाले हैं. But for now, why am I carrying tires with me? Well, we are going to be fixing it on another bike and doing another video on that while trying these new tires out, which you'll know about pretty soon. So, see you at Vikas's. Oh, nice. Looks good, huh? I'll go. That little detour that we took, yeah, I mean this is the new 250 Adventure, by the way, from KTM, and this is their entry level adventure motorcycle. Now, while I haven't really been able to go out and have a lot of fun on it and, you know, go crazy off-roading with it, because we have, like I said, we have very little time today, but I promise you we're going to do something bigger and better with this bike because so many of you want to buy it and so many of you want it. Come, you want to take a photo? Yeah. I'm without a mask, so I'll stay a little far away from you, yeah? If
can I remove my mask?
Yeah, I'll just stay far away.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, simply put, 250 engine, same as the Husqvarna and the same as the 250 Duke. It is also the same body and chassis as the 390 Adventure. In fact, it is the same weight even. Yeah, I think height also is wahi hogi yaar. Matlab, okay, never fun to do this. But I have to start getting used to this. So yes, I still find it to be tall. Not crazy tall, but definitely a wee bit tall. As you can see, I am properly tiptoeing on here. And when we did take it to that little, you know, off-road patch that we went to a while ago, I was having a little trouble turning the bike around. Let's go. Look at this. Good fun, good fun. Let's go.
Right?
Yep. And that's why I do the whole hop off and turn it with my hip, because that is always an easier method for me with my toes not doing much. So what you're getting here is essentially a halogen in the middle, and you get a DRL on the outside, and you get 2 LED indicators. तो ये जो है, this is an LCD instrument cluster. You do not get the TFT display like you do on the 390 Adventure with this. So even though this is not a TFT display, I I'm quite digging this because it is very clear. You can see the numbers very well visible when you're off-road. Too much glare happening on the display unit, and in the night too, it's pretty neat. So if I wanted to tour, if I wanted to go from like Bombay to Karnataka on a bike, I would choose this one. I would not take an RC 200 or an RC 390 or any of those, an R15 even. They're comfortable bikes, but after a point you realize how much it takes a toll on your back. You're on the road for, say a good 8 to 10 hours. Even for 1 hour, you cannot have that bike take you touring. People do it. I'm not saying it's a bad thing or anything, but this is the kind of bike that will take all those hits on the road. Like today, man, everywhere, wherever the khaddas were there, whatever off-road, this thing went. It's just like no worry in the world, and you can just like not have to worry about, oh shit, something's coming, I'm going to break the bike. Does not happen at all. Now, what do you get with the 250 Adventure? You get your basic off-road ABS. What do you not get? Unfortunately, you don't get cornering ABS, you don't get the quick shifter or the traction control, but pay 50,000 more and you can then buy the 390 ADV. So for like an entry-level adventure bike in the KTM world, this is a great motorcycle. Yeah, so I had my share of fun today, but so did Vikas, because Vikas is the one that picked up the bike yesterday. Vikas, what did you think of the bike?
I think it's a very fun bike to be with. It's light, so it's more accessible to take it to places where it's meant to be. And I think that's what we need to do. Let's just take this out, go camping and test it out.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it. So I think that should be our next 250 video.
Very much so.
Okay, you can promise them that?
Watch out for it. It's gonna be epic.
Okay guys, this is me trying to vlog. I'm so bad at this. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the 250 Adventure. Yeah, lots of cool stuff coming up. A really cool giveaway coming on my YouTube exclusively. So keep your eyes out. Don't forget to like the video. Comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me what we should do. I really want to hear from you, man. And yeah, subscribe.